including food service and closing dining area. Wait until the guest finished to eat and done paying bills. When you notice that the guest is already finished, it is about time to go to dining table and clean it. Remove soiled dishes when guest has finished its meal. Handle food scraps in accordance with hygiene regulations and enterprise procedures. Scrap the food gently for other customers will not be disturbed. Arrange the used tableware and glasswares to the tray properly. Wipe the table properly and make sure that there is no drop foods remain. Clean and store equipment in accordance with hygiene regulations. Wipe the tableware and glassware with a clean dry cloth or linen. Store them to its proper place. Clear and reset table again for the next guest. Give guest a warm farewell. Turn off electrical equipment if necessary and appropriate.